Hey all, welcome to Math Challenge. Today we'll look at one of the problem related to ratios and proportions. A 6-meter construction wall cast a 4-meter shadow at 8 am. 1 week later, when the sun was at the same position in the sky as it was at 8 am 1 week earlier, the shadow cast was 5 1/3 meter long. How many meters taller was the wall when it cast the 5 1/3 meter shadow than it was when it cast the 4-meter shadow? So let this be the wall that was at 8 am 1 week earlier. So it's of 6-meter height and it casted a shadow of 4 meter. So let this be the wall, construction wall initial, and this is the construction wall after a week at the same time 8 am. Now the shadow is 5 1/3 meter. So we have been asked to find the difference in height between these two walls. So how much additional wall has been constructed. So in order to do that, first we have to find the height of the wall, new wall, and then find the difference between the new wall and then the initial wall. So for this, it's a ratio problem. It's of ratio the wall height initial by the wall shadow initial is of same ratio as the wall height after a week by the wall shadow after a week. The reason this is equal is we have been given the condition that in both the cases the sun was at the same position. The assumption here is like it's going to have the same amount of shadow depending on the height. The shadow is going to be the same. Now substitute the values with the only unknown is the wall height after a week. So we know the initial wall is 6 meter and then the initial shadow is 4 meter and then the shadow after a week is 5 1/3. So convert the 5 1/3 which is in mixed fraction, convert it into common fraction which is 16/3 and 6/4 will become 3/2. Move the 16/3 to the other end. So it is going to be 3/2 times 16/3. 3 gets cancelled out and 16/2 which is 8. So the wall height after a week is 8 meters. So we have been asked to find the difference between these, the new height and then the original height, which is going to be 8 minus 6 which is 2. So after a week the wall was 2 more meters taller than before. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye.